Hello, good morning. Can you please give your introduction?
Good morning, sir. My name is Niraj Ghimire. I am 34 years old. I am from Parbat, Nepal. I am married. My education is 10 pass, and I am hardworking person.
Do you have any work experience?
Yes, I have 4 years of work experience as a garbage disposal in 𝐄𝐦𝐩𝐿 company.
Okay, what was your duty there as a garbage disposal worker?
My duty was cleaning, loading, sanitizing, and sorting of garbage.
Okay, can you work for 10 to 12 hours every day?
Yes, sir. I can work 10 to 12 hours.
Okay, can you manage indoor and outdoor work?
Yes, sir. I can manage all indoor and outdoor work.
Okay, will you follow the company rules and regulations?
Yes, I will follow the company rules and regulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Didi.